All right. Hello, you trader nerds. Real nerds, wait a minute, real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. Right here with trader nerds like DB and Edwin and Hal and Hugo and iPhone and James and Jason and John D and Kevin and Matt Jolly Wally and Mihai, Mike, Mo, Nadia, Pansy, Ricardo and Steve and Todd C. We are all together. And what has happened today? We got us a little bit of a pullback. All right, this is nice 1.35%. Nothing to fear. Now, here's what we got to realize, y'all, is that our net leg will suffer temporarily. Oh, I need that, JoJo.
But I need it.
I'll give it to you after I record my thing, okay? So, nothing to see here. Just a regular old day, and you'll sit there and go, "Oh no, my account's down today." Oh, don't worry about it. It's just temporary. Your positions are perfectly safe, right? On a 1.3% pullback. Heck, I'd say let it be a 2% pullback. Who cares? VIX is up 14.76% or 14.76, and that's why you're going to show a loss today because those options have swollen up a little bit. AD is at 30. Wow, that is still high for such a low market, right? AD should not be that high. AD, I would think, would be lower than that, but AD is 30. And well, market's doing what the market is doing. So let's see our big green monster. Let's see what it looks like. Let's go to volume profile and see what the big green monster says. The big green monster said, wait a minute. The big green monster says, hey, wait a minute. We're over bought and we need to pull back and fill in some of these little gaps here. And that is indeed what it's doing. And is it going to go back to the 5611? It's very possible. Very possible. But really nothing to see here, y'all. Nothing to see here at all. Let's look at the linear regression. And the linear regression looks pretty. Look at that. We should have some support in here somewhere. But nice big red candle. Nice big red candle. It's a good day to sell a tranche if you need to start a new hedge. It's certainly good to do that. All right, so let's see how our little account is doing and let's see how much damage we have today. So today is the 17th, 7/17/24. And we're going to be down a little bit. So let's see what we're at. We're at 49,824.76. Oh, darn, down $2,500. But like I say, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Your positions are perfectly safe. Nothing to worry about. All right, so let's go to our Greeks and ratios and see what our little Greeks and ratios are here. So here we are with this little account, and we are at 167.8. Wow, 167.8. So my deltas are fine. I can tell that. 167.8. Let's do that. 167.8. 167.8. And we said that the VIX is at 14. So it says I'm a little red on my deltas. Let's see. My deltas should be a little bit neutralized by about 92 deltas. That's fine. My theta is really, really low. And our buying power usage, let's see what that is. Our buying power usage is, let's see, I gotta remember how to get it. Cap requirement. There we go. Here, do this. So we're at 16,904. 16,904. It doesn't look bad. Let's put that in our spreadsheet, see how we're doing. 16,904. Oh, yeah, we're good. Look at this. We're at 33%. So you got to assess your patient, and the patient basically says, hey, Bob, you really need some theta in your little thing here. So why not put some theta in? Now, again, you're sitting there going, well, Bobby, it's red. Well, remember, as long as we're above the 200-day moving average, then we can go up to 50%. Well, you're sitting there going, I don't know, Bobby, the market's down a lot today. We're probably not above the 200 moving average, are we? Let's see. Oh, yeah, look at there. This is just a little hiccup. Little hiccup. And is the 10 exponential above the 20 exponential weekly moving average? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. So let's put us on a 111 trade. So what is our normal sizing in this account? Probably one, I forgot. Let's see. We've been doing three 111s. So I'll probably do, I don't know, maybe two or three. I think that'll be fine to get me up there where I need to be. I just don't like my deltas where they are as much. So what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to do a, well, I may do a couple of extra put debit spreads. I may, I'm not sure. Let's see how it works out. So let's go over here and let's go trade Bicros table. We go closest to 120 days. So we're going to 121. Okay. Now, I don't like overlapping strikes, right? So what I'll probably do is, well, here's a 10 delta, 49.50. Let's do three of those. 2, 3. 49.50 at 34.50. Come on, give me a feel, Phil. Come here. That'll feels. There we go. 34.25. I forgot what it was. Let's say 34.25. We did 49.50. 49.50, 34.25. 49.50, 34.25. And this was at 121 days. Three of those puppies. So we call this NP21. Puts naked. 7/17/24. Beautiful. All right. So now let's go find our put debit spreads. So we'll go back to trade. We'll go to 120 days. And we don't want to overlap strikes. Let's see if we can put it down here. 53.50, 5,300 is for 785. Let's see if I put it up really close here. Because I've got, this is going to be more than I normally pay for it, but gives you a nice hedge to the downside. 1675, I can do that. I can put that up there. Let's see. Let's do three of these. Normally I would not put that high, but hey, $17. Let's see if we get a feel. And nothing. Jack, squat, crowd, darn, nothing. Let's go to 17 and a quarter. Or 17. Now that'll feel. I said that with feel. Oh, no, it's not going to be one of these days, is it? 17 and a quarter. There we go. So the 5650, 5600. 5650 for 17 and a quarter. 5650. 5650, 5600 for 17 and a quarter. And I think I did three of those. I hope I did anyway. MES 3. And we'll go PDS 121. Puts. Debit spread 121, 717, 24. Now let's go put them in our groups, MP21 and PDS21. So let's go do that. So we'll go to positions. We'll go to here, I think. And these are these. So we'll go group NP21. It's raining outside. Raining night in Georgia. Let's see here. Group positions. PDS 21. Now, I do wish that my deltas were a little lower, but I'm not going to do anything about it. I'm just going to keep it where it's at. All right, so everybody, we've got 21 of y'all in here. Everybody good? Make sure nobody's panicking on the down move. You're going to see some down move. You know, this says I'm down $32,000 oh, across all kind of things. That includes the one though that's got NVIDIA and all that stuff in it. So that's no big deal. But everything and the mega account's down 4,200. Wow, look at that. But we're all good. You know, the key is you got to look at these things and say, is anything a 30 delta yet? And it's not. Nothing's a 30 delta yet. All right. What are y'all talking about here? It says P&L total for the day, -31, but it doesn't add up. What, this doesn't add up? Should add up. I have a couple of BSHs that are in profit. Do you take those profits or leave them on? I leave them on, John, because they are there to help me hold the rest of my stuff. Right? They're there to help me hold 25, 26, 27, 29, 30. Yeah, I think that all adds up. Yeah. All right, guys, don't panic. Trade the plan. We're mechanical. If the market beats us, but the market didn't beat us. It was down just 1%. And we got to be able to hold in these little times when these happens. And realize your net lick is going to be down, but your positions are perfectly fine. All right, y'all. Love you to pieces. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. I will see y'all tomorrow.